together, you will get here -4. Here you will get -5. Comes out to here -9. -9. 2 into -2. -4 it will become, and -5 -9 you will get. And again take this element -4. -4. Take this element -4. So -4 is there in second row, third column. So here write second row, third column. So -1 raised to power. These two will be reflected here 2. And these 3 will be reflected here 3 into minor of elements -4. So here write -4. -1 raised to power 5 comes out to here -1 into minor of -4. The -4 is there in second row and third column. Second row and third column will be hidden. You will get the minor 2 -3. So here write 2 -3 1 1. You will get here -1, and here you will get elements of principal diagonal 2 1 multiply together. So here you will get 2 minus plus. So here write plus. So you will get easily here -7. -7 you will get. Just 1 minute I shall take, and thereafter proceed. -1 -9 -5 you have got. Here you have got 0 +2 and 1 you have got. Now again I shall do the operation. Here you have got A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Like that 3 more you will get. So here I shall write, for this row I shall write A input 3 1. Here write -1. Here 3 plus 1. So write here 3 plus 1 into minor of A31. A31, locate the element A31. A31 will be this one. Because the matrix A is there, A has come. 31 means third row, first column. Third row is this one, first column is this one. So this element I shall locate. So you have to get the minor of +1. So here write +1, minor of +1. So you will get here -1 raised to power 4 comes out to here 1. And -1, minor of +1. Minor of +1 will get here. 1 is there in third row. Third row and first column will be hidden. You will get the minor of +1 as -3 5. -2 -4. -3 5 2 -4. So here you will get -3 will multiply to -4 comes out to here 12, minus 5 will multiply to 2 comes out to 10. So we will get here 2. We will get here 2. The A31, the value of A31 will be 2. Like this I shall write A input 32. So here write -1. Here -1 is a constant fixed here, and this 3 will be written here +2 into minor of A32. A32 means third row, second column. Third row, this one, second column, this one. This element, plus 1. A minor of plus 1 equal to minus 1 raised to the power 5 comes out to here minus 1. And minor of plus 1, A32. A32, this one. This one is there in third row and second column. The third row and second column will be hidden. You will get the minor of plus 1 as 2, 5, 3 minus 4. 2, 5, 2, 5, 3 minus 4. 2, 5, 3 minus 4. Okay. So what to do here? Here write minus 1 and this will become minus 4 will multiply to 2 comes out to here minus 8 minus and 5 will multiply to 3 comes out to here 15. Here you will get minus 1 multiply to 23 will get here only 23. 23 we have got. And for last element minus 2. So here write A input double 3. So minus 1 raised to the power 3 plus 3 into minor of, for this element minus 2 equal to 3 plus 3 comes out to 6, minus 1 raised to the power 6 comes out to here 1 will multiply to minor of minus 2 will be minus 2 is there in third row and third column. Third row and third column will be hidden. We will get the minor of minus 2 as 2 minus 3. 3, 2. 2 will multiply to 2 comes out to here 4 minus you will get here plus 3, 3 is 9 you will come to it 13. The A input 3, 3 we have got value as 13. Just check out 2, 23, 13. 2, 23, 13 you have got. Okay. So this one you have got 2, 13, 23. With the help of A11, A12, A13, A21, A23, A23, A31, A33, A32, A33, you will form the cofactor matrix. Hence, I shall consolidate the things here. Cofactor matrix will be start from here A input double 1. A double 1 value is 0. Write here 0. A input 12 value is here 2. Write here 2. A 13 value is 1. Write here 1. A21 value is minus 1. A22 value is minus 9. A23 value is minus 7. A31 value is 2. A32 value is 23. A33 value is 13. This thing you have got. Cofactor matrix equal to elements of first row 0, 2, 1, elements of second row minus 1, minus 9, minus 7, Elements of third row 2, 23, 13. Now what will do next? Now I shall do the operation. Now what will do next? Next I shall write here cofactor matrix. You have got cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix you have got here 0 to 1, 0 to 1, -1, -9, -7, 2, 23, 13. Now what to do next? Next I shall do the transpose of cofactor matrix. Right here. Transpose of cofactor matrix will be here you can see 0 to 1 is there in first row. The first row will become first column. So here write 0 to 1. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Third row will become third column. So here you have got transpose of cofactor matrix. You have got this one. This one will be equal to adjoint of matrix A. Adjoint of matrix A you have got. Adjoint of matrix. So now find A inverse. So use the formula here. A inverse equal to here I have written the formula. A inverse equal to 1 over determinant of matrix A. So here I shall write 1 over determinant of matrix A comes out to here -1. 1 over determinant of matrix A comes out to be determinant of matrix A comes out to here -1. Determinant of matrix A I have got here -1. I have reflected this one. After that adjoint matrix it will come. This one will come. So here I shall write the adjoint matrix A. So 0, -1, 2. Here I shall write 2, -9, 23. Here write 1, -7, 13. This thing I have written. 0, -1, 2, 2, -9, 23, 1, -7, 13. This one you have got. Now A inverse will be, A inverse you will get later on. Here I shall write A inverse you have got here. Matrix A inverse you have got. Here you will get -1. Each element of this matrix will get multiplied by -1. 0 will multiply to -1 comes out to here 0. -1 will multiply to -1 comes out to here 1. 2 will multiply to -1 comes out to here -2. This 2 will multiply to -1 comes out to here -2. -9 will multiply to -1, 1. -9 will multiply to -1 comes out to here 9. 23 will multiply to -1 comes out to here -23. 1 will multiply to minus 1 comes out to here minus 1. Minus 7 will multiply to minus 1 comes out to here 7. And 13 will multiply to minus 1 comes out to here minus 13. So I have got A inverse equal to 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 7, minus 13. Now what will do next? Next I shall use the formula. This what formula I am going to use here? This formula. X is equal to A inverse dot B. So here I shall write X is equal to A inverse dot B. Now write the value here, implied that in place of X, this is the matrix X. So here write X, Y, Z. Because matrix X is the variable matrix. Capital X is the variable matrix which will have element X, Y, Z. Like this you will write. After that write here A inverse, value of inverse I shall write here. A inverse, this one will be written 0, 1, minus 2, minus 2, 9, minus 23, minus 1, 7, minus 13. This thing will be written. And after that matrix B. Matrix B, I shall get matrix B. The matrix B will be, here I am going to represent matrix B will be, matrix B will be in sequence, constant 11, in sequence, because this linear equation is the first equation, the first element from the first equation I shall take constant at 11. Here write 11. In sequence, this equation is the second equation. So here write minus 5. Take constant minus 5. And this is the third equation. From third equation, take the constant as minus 3. Minus 3. So you have formed matrix B. Matrix B in sequence plus 11, minus 5, minus 5, minus 3, minus 3. I have written. The same thing I am going to reflect here. So here I shall write matrix B 11, minus 5, minus 3 equal to. Now here you can see this matrix is of order 3 cross 3 and this matrix is of order 3 cross 1. This matrix A inverse is the matrix which is of order 3 cross 3 and the matrix B is of order 3 cross 1. So this one, this 3 will be clubbed together. This 3 and this 3. This 3 and this 3 will be clubbed together. And on multiplication of A inverse matrix to matrix B, we will get a new matrix. The new matrix, you will get here new matrix. New matrix will be of order 3 cross 1. Of order 3 cross 1. What result will be? Just look it. 11 will multiply to 0, comes out to 0. And minus 1 0 will multiply to 11, comes out to here 0. And minus 5 will multiply to 1, will get here minus 5. And minus 3 will multiply to minus 2, comes out to here plus 6. Because minus 2 will multiply to minus 3. Minus 2 will multiply to minus 3 comes out to here plus 6. And minus 5 will multiply to plus 1 comes out to here minus 5, a 0 I have written. Now look at this one. Plus 11 will multiply to minus 2 comes out to here minus 22. So here write minus 22. And here plus 9 will multiply to minus 5 comes out to here minus 45. Plus minus 23 will multiply to minus 3 comes out to here 69. Sixty-nine. Just wait. Zero will multiply to 11 comes out to 0. 1 will multiply to minus 5 comes out here minus 5. And minus 2 will multiply to minus 3 comes out here plus 6. Minus 2 will multiply to 11 comes out to minus 22. Plus 9 will multiply to minus 5 comes out to a minus 45. Minus 23 will multiply to minus 3 comes out to plus 69. Again 11 will multiply to minus 1 comes out to here minus 11. So here you will get minus 11 minus 1 will multiply to plus 11 comes out here minus 11, and here plus 7 will multiply to minus 5 comes out to here minus 35. Minus 35, and here plus 39. 3 3 ja 39 will get. Now locate here. So here you will get, here I am going to write x, y, z. Minus 5 plus 6 comes out here 1. Here you can see minus 22 minus 45 comes out to here 5 to 7, 4 to 6. So minus 67. Minus 67 plus 69 comes out to here 2. Right here 2. And here you will get minus 11 minus 35 comes out to here minus 11 minus 35 plus 39. So what will be result here? You will get here 39 minus 1. Just you will get here minus 35 here, this one. The plus you will get. So minus 35 plus 39 you will get here plus 4. Minus 11 plus 4 comes out to, let us see what happened. So here you have got, just wait 1 minute, I shall take the result here. Final result will be zero minus 5 6 minus 20 minus 45 plus 69 minus 11 minus 25 plus 39. This is 25. But this is 25. How 25 it is? Minus 1, 7, 13. This is 5. This is not 7, this is 5. So how it is 5? One mistake counted here. This will be the 5. 5 it will come. 5 it will come as 5. A23, just see A23 what result is. A23 have got here, you can see A23. Minus 1 I have reflected. This 2 will multiply this 3. So plus 3 will get. This minus 1 I have reflected. Elements of principal diagonal 2 and 1 will multiply together. You will get here 2 minus or minus 3. It comes out to plus 3. So here we will get 3. We will get here 3. So here write 3. This is 5. This is 5. So everywhere minus 5, right here minus 5. This is minus 5. This is, you have got here minus 5. Everywhere minus 5 it will come. Minus 5 it will come. This is 5. Get amended. This is 5. Here also 5. Just look at this one. Where you have written, here written 5. Here 5. Here 5. Here we have got 5. Here 5. Everywhere 5 it will come. Here 5. Now it is okay. Now what we'll do here? here you will get this thing is okay. This thing will okay. This one 11 will multiply to minus 1 comes out to here minus 11, and minus 5 will multiply to plus 5. So minus 25 it comes out. Minus 1 will multiply to plus 11 comes out here minus 11. Plus 5 will multiply to minus 5 comes out to minus 25 plus 39. You will get here 39. Now calculate this one, and calculation you will get. What result you will get? Here minus 5 plus 6 comes out here 1, and here you will get 5 or 2 7, minus 67 plus 69 comes out to here 2, and here you will get minus 11 minus 25. So 5 plus 1 6, 3 plus minus 36. Minus 36 plus 39 comes out to 39 3. You will get here 3. So now result will be respective element. Since this matrix, equality of matrices. This is the case of equality of matrices. This matrix, both are equal. In case of equality of matrices, respective elements, corresponding elements will be required. In case of equality of matrices, the corresponding elements will be equal. X का corresponding 1, तो x equal to 1. Y का corresponding 2, तो you will get here y equal to 2. Z का corresponding 3, you will get here z equal to 3. So you have got here answer as x equal to 1, y equal to 2, z equal to 3. This will be the correct answer you have got. So this is the proper explanation and solution of question number 15, exercise 4.6, chapter 4, determinant, NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.